If you want to take your pool from ordinary to absolutely stunning at night, the Hayward ColorLogic LED light is one of the best upgrades you can make. And I can say that confidently because I've had mine for 6 years now, and I've had no issues with it. This is the 120 volt version with a 100-foot lead cord, so it's designed for full-size in-ground pools and gives you plenty of reach no matter where your junction box is. It drops right into a standard Hayward niche, and once it's in, it works. No flickering, no overheating, no random shutoffs. It's been rock solid for me. In this video, you're seeing it run one of my favorite colors, a deep rich blue. At night, it makes the entire pool glow like a resort. The water looks clean, crisp, and honestly way more high-end than a standard white pool light. Now, I'm not cycling through all the modes here, but the ColorLogic 4.0 gives you a ton of options. You get multiple fixed colors, greens, purples, reds, warm whites, plus 7 different light shows. Some are slow and relaxing, perfect for a quiet evening swim. And others, a little bit more dynamic. If you're hosting people or you want the party vibe, trust me, the other modes are just as impressive. The LED technology is a huge upgrade over old incandescent lights. It's brighter, it uses less energy, and it lasts way longer. After 6 years of use, mine still looks as bright and clean as it did the day it was installed. The model also comes with durable plastic faceplate, which blends nicely with most pool finishes and doesn't corrode. And if you're running Hayward automation like ProLogic, you can control the colors and shows right from your panel or app. If you're looking for a way to instantly elevate your pool's nighttime atmosphere and add that high-end resort-style glow, this is the light that does it. It's reliable, it's bright, and after 6 years of personal use, I can say it's absolutely worth it.